tracking devices are being used in a new way this holiday season to protect some old traditions.
As CBS 2's My Martinez reports, pranksters should beware. Big Brother may be watching those nativity scenes and menorahs this year.
Every year, churches around the world put out nativity scenes, and every year, without fail, the baby Jesus disappears from a display or two. And sometimes it's not just the baby Jesus. At St. Mark's Episcopal Church in Glen Ellen, 2 wise men and a cow have also gone on holiday hiatuses.
10 years ago, 2 of the wise men disappeared from the scene, and they reappeared on a ski slope in Lisle.
The wise men were recovered, but the cow is still missing. That's why St. Mark's is joining a growing number of churches and synagogues turning to GPS devices and hidden cameras to help them track their holiday displays.
We've taken technology to do something that basically amounts to LoJack on baby Jesus.
2 New York companies, Lightning GPS and Brickhouse Security, are loaning the devices free of charge to houses of worship coast to coast. So far, more than 70 have taken them up on their offer.
It's kind of a high-tech guardian angel.
Father Smith says on the bright side, now that their baby Jesus is equipped with a GPS device, at least the congregation can keep up with him should he be taken away on any unexpected trips this holiday season.
I wonder where the baby Jesus would go. We have our imaginations, but again, maybe the baby Jesus ends up in the food pantry or the homeless shelter or people who are in need.
Or maybe he'll just stay snuggled up in his mother's arms. Only time will tell. In Glen Ellen, My Martinez, CBS 2 News.
Now, the CEO of Brickhouse Security says the houses of worship can use these GPS devices through the beginning of January, which is about how long they're
Isn't that sad, though, that these are the times that we live in, that you have to put a GPS device on a baby Jesus, for goodness sakes?
By the way, they're still looking for the cow. If you've seen it, please call.
Please call now. There was no GPS.